If you want to take macro photos on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, here's what you can do. So if we open the camera and go to the photo mode, you will see that this flower can appear if you keep the camera close to a subject. This flower means that we have enabled the macro mode, which is usually automatic. The phone automatically detects if you're trying to take a picture of a small subject. You can also use a little bit of zoom, although not so much, because if you exceed like 3.5x, I believe, or maybe even more. Let's see, what is the maximum zoom that we can use? There we go, now it switches. So I believe 10x is the maximum, but usually you don't really want to use that much of a zoom anyway, because the quality gets worse. But as you can see, we can easily zoom in and we can capture a photo just like that. Simple. Of course, you probably don't want to keep the camera too close, although it is nothing really, there's nothing against it as well. But generally speaking, you can combine the macro mode with zoom if you want to make a really close-up photo. Of course, you can disable the macro mode if you want to, but usually you don't want to do that when you want to capture a small subject. If it reappears, you should be able to use this flower icon to turn it back on. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.